Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am glad to have you here today, where you will enjoy watching different DIYs for home decoration. In today's video, I'm sharing with you two very fun projects that turn out very pretty. I have been using some flowers because today I am part of April Showers Bring May Flowers. It's fun collaboration, that's why I am focusing today on flowers. So let's go crafting! For the first project, I have been using two beautiful scrapbook paper with Daisy's design or Daisy's pictures. I sketched two small pictures, a small rain boot and a small umbrella to add them into my design. I cut them and I add some details to these two pictures. So this boot and this umbrella, add some details with my markers, and I grab pearl lace. I glue it all around the umbrella. I'm adding some daisies, small daisies, pearl lace around this small rainbow too, and I'm gluing these daisies into small stem, or you can use toothpicks too, put them in the back of this boot. So to add it in my picture, I'm using double face tape so to let these two pieces pop out from this picture. I'm adding a clear glue glitter to create sparkly decoration and get glittery finish that will not flake off. More details like small leaves. I'm gluing these small daisies in the bottom of the umbrella. One on the top, another one on the side. Now the picture is ready. I'm gonna glue it on the top of flat canvas that I got from Dollar Tree, and these paint rollers, I need them to make a frame or to make it all around the canvas. I paint them in green, then with the white chalk paint on the top to give distress colors. As you see now, I like this color. It's like white with green. And this rope, thin rope, I glue it in the two sides of this frame. I made this bow with the rainbow ribbon. As you see now, it's cute. And now I'm gonna hang it with these beads. What do you think? I like it. I love it. It's simple and pretty. Anyone can make it. Look, daisies all around, flowers bloom. So just tell me in the comment below if you like it too. Let's jump to the second DIY now. For this project I have been cutting paper flowers using my Cricut. You can use your own flowers, get them from any craft store like Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby, Michael's. I want to make my own today with the Cricut machine using my beautiful papers here, like as you see. Let's talk about today's collaboration. It's called April Showers Bring May Flowers. This collaboration is hosted by a talented crafter named Mary Beth from MB Grace Designs. I have her channel's link and the playlist link in the description box below, and I hope that you will check out all these channels where you will enjoy and watch incredible crafters making beautiful DIYs. Now I'm rolling these flowers using my cooling tool. Then I draw a wheelbarrow on this scrapbook paper. I cut it. I cut two of them because I need two into my design. So with this floral tape, I add a design on the top of this barrow, so just to give some details. It's flower tape. Now with this double-sided tape, I'm adding dimension to these two wheelbarrows. I put the tape between two of them to look like pop out pictures, and gluing these flowers on the wheelbarrow with some leaves, different colors of these flowers. And I glue this wheelbarrow and these flowers on the top of this beautiful scrapbook paper. I'm adding some 3D butterflies that I got from Dollar Tree as stickers, and adding one here, one there. I'm adding this craft word to spell amazing, can be painted, glittered. I'm gonna do both, painted with my white chalk paint and glitter on the top, white glitter. Voila. I'm using this word mom, M-U-M. So M-U-M can be mother because in English spell it like that, or can be mom flowers. And now I'm adding some coats of Mod Podge using my paintbrush. It's just sealing the picture or giving some layer of protection to these flowers with some glue glitter to make it shiny. So now let's make our frame using this square sign that I got from Dollar Tree and 4 pin sticks. Send out the sign, glue my picture that I made using Mod Podge and glue gun on all around. Now I'm gluing these paint sticks on the 4 corners or 4 sides. Yes, attach them with these clumps because I used the wood glue. And now I'm painting the sticks. I forgot to do it before. So I'm painting green. Then I changed my mind. I made a coat of white chalk paint on the top. So to distress it's 2 colors, and the color turned out beautiful. I'm making a bow using these ribbons, these beautiful colors that match all my flowers. I made 4 loops, then I attached them in the middle with the twine, and I made a tail for this bow with this ribbon, and I glue it in the corner of this frame. This is the tail. With these beads I'm making a hanger to hang my frame, and voila. Look at that, it's not amazing? It's an amazing frame with beautiful flowers and colors. What about you? What do you think? If you like my project, let me know in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. See you soon. By then, take care and bye.